Setting up Google Home for the first time? In this video, I'll walk you through everything. From downloading the app to running your first automation. Let's get started. Before we begin, here's what you need. A Google account, a smartphone with the Google Home app, and at least one compatible device, like a Google Nest speaker, a Nest Hub, or any smart plug or bulb that works with Google Home. That's it. Step 1. Download the Google Home app. It's free on both iOS and Android. Open it and sign in with your Google account. If you already use Gmail or YouTube, you already have one. Step 2. Add your first device. Plug it in and make sure it's in setup mode, usually shown by a flashing light or a chime. In the Google Home app, tap the plus button in the top left, then tap Setup Device. Google Home will automatically scan for nearby devices. Step 3. Connect to Wi-Fi. Follow the on-screen prompts. Select your home network and enter your password. Most Google Home devices support both 2.4 and 5 GHz networks. Step 4. Assign it to a room. Google Home organizes everything by room: living room, kitchen, bedroom. This is how you control groups of devices at once. Just say, "Hey Google, turn off the bedroom lights," and it knows exactly what to do. Step 5. Set up routines. Routines let you trigger multiple actions with one command or on a schedule. Go to the Automations tab, tap Create Routine, choose your trigger, then Add Actions. Turn on lights, play music, read your calendar. All hands-free. A few pro tips before you go. Use Google Nest devices for the best integration. They're built for this. Group your speakers by room for whole home audio control. Enable guest mode so visitors can cast without knowing your Wi-Fi password. And explore the works with Google Home catalog. Thousands of brands are compatible right out of the box. And that's it. Your Google Home is set up and ready to go. If you want to go deeper, check out my full Google Home versus Home Assistant comparison. Link in the description. Subscribe for smart home and automation videos every single day.